So that's how I make money, that's how I make sales. Someone asked me today, and I've had this question quite a few times over the years. It's how do you make money from all these podcast interviews and all this free advice that you give out on the internet? Are you not giving too much away? Just the question of how do you actually make money out of all of this? So I want to break that down to you just now. The key is actually, I just made about £5,000 in sales over the last few days because of all that content I created, which is it's almost like equity you build in others. You give people lots of free advice, you give them lots of stuff. A lot of the time people don't actually go and implement what's them as well, so that's the other side. They don't actually just take it and go away with it. So you build equity in others, aka rapport, and people learn to trust you and know you well, and establishes your credibility, your knowledge in a field, and they know that you're really good at it. And because of the fact that very few people will actually do, they will ask you, or they'll ask me, Ben, can you just do this for me? Because a website broke and now I need you to do it. So it establishes your expertise and you get people to know, like, trust you, see that you're actually good at what you do, and then that brings the question. So it gets lots of conversations with people as well, and the start of conversation is a lead really. Every conversation can potentially be a lead towards a prospect customer they might need to have, and especially if all your content is relevant to the things that you sell, it's a long-term strategy. It doesn't happen overnight. If you post a video today, you're not going to make a sale tomorrow. I hope that answers your question of how do you make money, Ben, and how do I make money from all the videos and helpful advice that I put out here on social media. This is how I make money. So I show up every day, put out helpful videos. Because I show up every day, eventually the tipping point will come. Someone's seen enough of my content, know that I'm good at what I do, they know, like, and trust me, and boom, they have a problem. That one time they problem, I pop up on video and they go, right, I give up. I want Ben to do this for me. I need Ben to help me. I need Ben to mentor me. So that's how I make money. That's how I make sales from all of this work that you maybe see me doing for free, and which I do for free. I don't make money from it, but over time it actually compounds, and that rapport and equity I build in others, when they need me, they come to me when they're ready.